In this video, I'm doing an unboxing and test video of the budget action camera, Yi Lite. Before we get started, guys, I just want to let you know I'm going to try to keep this as brief as possible. This item is new, but it is open box. I purchased it from eBay. And to be honest, it's not a lot going on with this unboxing. It's not much there. It's not like all the rest of the budget action cameras you get. Sometimes they have accessories and all that with it. This one just doesn't. I guess that Yi is one of the known brands. I guess the higher end of the budget cameras. I mean, basically all you get is the camera, instructions, the USB for data transfer or charging, and the battery. That's it. Right now I'm going to show you the exterior of the box. I'm going to flip it to all sides. I'll leave it there for a few seconds. If you need to look at it longer, just pause the video. Here's the information and instruction booklet that came with the camera. You can just briefly look inside real quick. On the first page, you'll see they have a diagram to show you where the speaker, shutter button, tripod mount, etc. And then it shows you how to insert and remove the SD card, how to remove the battery, and how to charge the camera. On the flip side, it'll tell you how to use the camera briefly. Show you where and what and how to download the app. Other accessories, like I said before, is sold separately. You have to find them elsewhere in customer support. The Yi action camera will feature the same battery size as the Yi 4K and the Yi 4K Plus, but the capacity size is smaller. The battery runtime is stated at 130 minutes. It also has a 150-degree wide-angle lens. It features a Sony IMX206 image sensor. On the bottom you had the typical 1/4 screw-in for like a tripod or selfie stick or so forth. All those multiple holes, that is your speaker, and the small hole beside is your microphone, and then you have your shutter button. On the back you have a 2-inch screen. LCD screen, Gorilla Glass, which should resist scratches and daily impact. The screen on the back is actually a touch screen. It's pretty sensitive. The menu is actually easy to navigate and get to what you need to get to as well. From here we'll just transition to the test video. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.